Here's the outdoor coffee table I made last year. It's been out here ever since, and so far so good. That has the gleam finish. On the list for today is to move this grill onto a small wooden patio that I made a couple of years ago. So I'm basically repurposing that. And then all along this Belgian block, I'm going to dig up some hostas, split them out, and just pepper them in all along here. This whole other area, this is an erosion area that I'm going to be dealing with, but that's probably next week. Here's the beehives. There's bees in that hive and that hive. This is just storage. And here's the boardwalk. Originally this was a picnic table, then I made it into this boardwalk for a planter, and now it'll be reused for the grill. Still a little chilly here this morning in New Jersey. You can see the bees are just starting to get up, kind of getting out, doing their thing. If it warms up, they'll be all over the place today. Okay, so that looks pretty good for now. Next step is to go over and get the hostas, dig them up, start separating them out and plant them right in here. That's going to be a lamppost, hopefully sooner versus later. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pretty good sized hostas. I'll dig these out, quarter them up, and then put them back along the line, and then bring them over to the Belgian block. Here's the hostas that I'm going to use for this area. I am going to need some soil to backfill, and sooner, hopefully versus later, I'll be putting a lamppost here. So I'll dig the hole for the lamppost, and that'll give me the soil for the backfill. They're bringing in all kinds of pollen. See it on their legs? Okay, so we got a little rain last night, and that's a good thing to water in the hostas, kind of settle this dirt. I definitely like the grill on this boardwalk here. The patio is pitched, and I made the boardwalk level, so you can see it kind of bumps up a little bit there, but I like having the grill level. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this table is made of natural mahogany. It's finished with Total Boat Gleam Spar varnish. It's been out here now for maybe 8 or 9 months, and it's really holding up nice. I got a project video if you want to check that out. I've got a project video for the end tables as well. They're made out of sapele, and they have an oil finish, and it's just a different look. I guess I kind of like them both, but the right now the film finish on the natural mahogany looks pretty nice. So over here you can see the hostas. They'll be coming in, and this whole area here should be nice and green. Got a piece of plywood over the hole, so I don't have to worry about anybody stepping in it. That's definitely on the short list now. I have got to get the dimensions from my wife. Originally, she was talking about a lamppost that was like 30 inches tall, and I'm trying to veto that. I'd like it to be at least 5 feet tall. So I'll do that, and then maybe some planting over here. So, one of the first of the spring projects. Always stuff to do. This is going to be a big one. Creating water bars to divert the water and slow it down as it runs off the driveway.